Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Whitney B, and I'm back with another video. So y'all, I want to show you guys, hold on, let me fix my camera. I want to show you guys how I installed this custom wig that I made myself, of course. Now y'all already know it is jet black, bone straight, bust down middle part season, so of course I had to do this style. So at the end of this video, definitely tell me what you guys think, and of course, if you have not yet subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button. So we're just gonna get right into it. I already washed and conditioned this unit, and I let it air dry. This is the raw Vietnamese. This is straight texture. I know a lot of you have been asking when the extensions will be added to the website, and that is actually in works now. The site is under construction, so I can make some updates and add a few things, and the raw extensions will be one of the new items that will be added. So definitely stay tuned. Okay, so I had already sprayed my wig down, and I used the Eben lace spray. Now, if you are a girl that absolutely loves to glue down or spray down your wig, definitely try out the Eben lace spray. You can get it at your local beauty supply store. If you guys have been following me, or if you checked out some of my other videos, you already know I absolutely love this lace spray. So definitely you may want to give it a try. So right now I'm just kind of molding my hair down, and I'm going in with the blow dryer, just smoothing it out and trying to get it super flat. Now, I know some of you guys like to use the wax stick. I do like to use that at the end of my molding process, but initially I like to go in with the foam setting lotion, just because I find that the wax stick kind of makes your hair it kind of feels like sticky and like a lot of buildup. So I don't like to use the wax stick too much, just a little bit, and I'll show you guys towards the end on how I use the wax stick. But anyways, I'm just going in with my foam setting lotion, and you can kind of go in between each part if you want to, and put a little setting lotion in between the parts and then kind of smooth it out. Alright guys, so we are done with this look, and as you see, it turned out really cute. The hair is so soft and shiny. I just absolutely love it. So thanks so much guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.